Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eyeshadow and today I'm going to be switching it up a little bit because I'm going to be giving you guys a glitter glam makeup tutorial. This video is sponsored by Focallure. They sent me some of their best cosmetic products and I'm going to be showing you guys everything that I received and how I applied within this video. If you like this look, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you are interested in seeing how I got this glam look, go ahead and keep on watching. Jumping right into this makeup tutorial, we're going to start with an eyebrow pencil because I always start off with my eyebrows. I feel like y'all so up close and personal, but it's cool. It's cool, sis. So my eyebrows are not really arched at the moment, but I have to get this video out. So we're going to tweak them a little bit. The eyebrow brush that I chose is a number 2, and it has a spoolie on one end and then the eyebrow pencil on the other end. So even though my eyebrows are looking a little bit disgusting, it's okay because we're just going to be filling them in. There's always a way around everything. Y'all see my little bump right here? Don't mind it. I've never did my eyebrows with a pencil like this, so this will be interesting to see how this works. So I think that I do like the application a little bit better than the pencil, because with the pencil sometimes I have to like push into my eyebrows and in my skin to get it to apply the way that I want it to, but this was sort of like effortless. So I'm basically showing you guys the application process of this brow pencil in general. If you guys want a more detailed eyebrow tutorial on how I do my eyebrows on a day-to-day basis from start to finish, go ahead and comment down below and I will get that video made for you guys. But if you want to know how my eyebrow routine go normally, comment down below. So I did go ahead and shape up my eyebrows off camera, and this little bump over here is really irritating me, but whatever. So normally a glam makeup routine for me would go like eyebrows first, eyes second, and face last. So today we're going to be using the Perth palette. This is one of their travel palettes. So it has a mirror attached to the palette, and these colors are so beautiful. They're all neutral and with a pop of color, which I really like. So I have on this bra, and I'm thinking about staying in this color scheme. So this palette has some beautiful blues and purples and warm neutral colors. So we're just gonna wing it. So I start off with a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go into the Beaches color. So I'm going to take this Beaches color right below where I outline my eyebrow, just to keep it that real light, warm color before I go into the actual eye. So I'm taking this and just fluffing it out very, very lightly. So me, I like to go ahead and get the other eye in. I just do them together. The same step applies to the other eye. So I'm going to take the same brush, but this time I'm going to go into the coral. I don't want this to be very, very dark. So we're just going to pat that in and brush it out really, really nicely. So going into a different color, I'm going to go into this Mount Eliza. And I'm going to really like place that right on the crease area. I'm not going to bring it far up, but this is like going to be like right where that crease is. before I move on, I want to go back into that coral color just because it has like that little purple undertone that I'm really going for right on top of the Mount Eliza color, just to like bring everything together. So that is looking great. So before we start on the next colors, I want them to be very, very vibrant. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. So y'all, this is my first time ever cutting my crease, and it's hard because my eyes over here twitching and I gotta go back in and fix it up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back in the coral color, and then I'm gonna like push that on top of where I don't want any concealer to be. So I'm using a smaller, fluffier brush. So I'm gonna go into the color Shark Bay with my smaller fluffy brush, and I'm gonna bring this like into like the inner corner of my lid. Now I'm also gonna take Shark Bay and put it on the outside of my lid area. So I'm gonna go into this opal color, and I'm gonna take this brush, it's kind of like a flatter brush, and pack it right on top of there. I should have swatched this color before I applied it because I'm gonna really have to pack this on. I thought it was an actual shadow instead of like a glitter. We're really just winging this look. I'm gonna go back into the Shark Bay, and I'm gonna kind of like mix that into the opal color. So now I'm thinking about just making it a glitter looking eye. So I'm just gonna pack that all over the blue. So for the next eye, I'm just gonna go straight in with the opal color and try to like blend the blue that's already on the lid out, instead of putting the concealer on the lid first. And I'm just gonna build the color up this way. So I went ahead and put on my foundation off camera. Now we're gonna go ahead and go into this eyeliner. This actually worked out better than I thought. I don't normally do the wing liner, but since this is a super fine liquid eyeliner, it made it so much more easier to apply on top of the glitter eyeshadow. So I went ahead and attached my eyelashes off camera. So now I'm gonna go into the color Passion Fruit. It's like a purple color. And I'm gonna go like right under where my eyeliner is, like along my waterline. So for the inner corner, I want to go into the color WA, W-A, and like put it like lightly right there in my inner corner, just to highlight that. So now we're gonna go into the highlighter in the color Nova Light. It's in shade number 3, and it's a very cool like pinkish tone. Let's go ahead and test it out. So I have my highlighter brush. I don't know if y'all noticed, but I do really light foundation. I really don't like packing a lot of foundation on my face. So I'm going very lightly with this, and it is very pigmented. So I have 3 different capsule lipstick colors that they send me. One is Job Interview, Mercury Retrograde, and Hell Yeah. So I've already wear the Hell Yeah color, and it's just like a subtle brown-ish color. So I am going to mix these two together. This one is Job Interview, and I'm gonna put that one on first. Then I'm gonna go in with Mercury Retrograde in the middle. On a regular day, if I would have did this look, I probably would have just topped it off with some lip gloss. It's still cute either way. So that completes this glam makeup tutorial. I hope you guys love the look. If you do, go ahead and give a comment down below. If you guys have any tips, tricks, or hacks to makeup and you're a makeup guru yourself, go ahead and help a girl out down below. This is my first makeup video. I'm so excited and I hope you guys love it. Don't forget to check the description box so that you can get my coupon code for discounts anytime you purchase on Focallure. If you guys like my hairstyle throughout this video, I will have the video link down in the description box, so check it out. Don't forget to follow me on my social media. My Snapchat is Queen-Isha with 2 A's. My Instagram and also my Twitter is MyIshaLeve_. Since this is my first makeup tutorial video, let me know down below if you guys want to see more videos like this. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like this video if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.